Okay, that should have lined everything up just nicely. Okay, so I've discovered a new trick. I have learnt a new trick. Yes, I have. And I'm really I'm playing with it. That's what I'm doing. I've discovered something new and I'm playing with it. Let me know what you think. I might actually put a poll up. I'm thinking, hey, this is great. So I'm giving it a trial out with something in particular. And I'd be interested in your views on both the video and the subject of this video. And the subject of this video is actually YouTube video SEO. But before we get into that, don't forget, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. Don't forget to hit your subscribe button, and all comments, please, in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, or in this format, then again, please let me know in the comment section below, because I'm sure I can do some more in this kind of format. Some way, how, shape, form, I'm not quite sure. But anyway, let's get on to the subject. The subject here is video SEO, something that I'm still struggling with, something I'm still struggling to come to terms with, and something to understand. Now, I uploaded a video at the weekend, and basically it was about a cheap plastic under desk PC keyboard tray that I got from eBay, that goes underneath the desk. It's quite nice. I just thought, you know, I'm still practicing. I'm practicing on my unboxing and presentation skills, because I've got to admit I'm not absolutely great on those, but I am getting better. Anyway, the whole thing about this is that I've been experimenting just recently. I've had some success with varying different areas in respect to my videos, and I've got some quite good views on it. But with the change that's happened in YouTube, and I'm not talking about the monetization or anything like that, I'm talking about this beta creative studio. One thing I've noticed is that a lot of my views I was getting on my videos were from Russia, and that's probably because one of the areas that I was promoting my videos was on Google Plus, and a couple of the Google Plus communities were Russian communities, so I think that's where I was getting a lot of views from. Now, I am not able to post to them now because for some reason they've disappeared. They've just disappeared. And I've seen a drastic drop in my viewing figures because of this. So I've been like, okay, so now I understand that. So I do understand that a lot, and my analytics was proving the fact that a lot of the views I was getting was coming from external sources. So I'm like, okay, fair enough. Let me look into this. Let me try and understand this, because I am still trying to understand it. So I've done this video and I thought, hey, this is a great opportunity. Get a practice in with an unboxing and stuff like that. But I can also use it in the respect of that I can try to use it to understand SEO or YouTube SEO. So here we are. So basically, yeah, this is my video here, which you can see. Yeah, you're not seeing my mouse move an awful lot, because I'm talking and that's it. And you don't particularly want to see my face because it's ugly. But anyway, so yeah, so there's my video there. So if I type in PC keyboard tray, yeah, I know it's not the greatest of views, but either way, it's a great one to practice with. Or at least it is for me, because if I can use this to understand, then this will help me out drastically. Now, I do have Vidiq, very good. I would strongly recommend it. I also have TubeBuddy, again, very good, very strongly recommend it. I also got to say shout out to TubeBuddy, because the fact is that they've just given me a free upgrade for a trial to the Star package, which they didn't need to do, but they did. That was really nice. I was asking them a completely different question. I came across something on their frequently asked page questions, so I asked them, and lo and behold, I ended up getting, they were so kind, they gave me a free trial. So I thought, yeah, thank you very much, TubeBuddy, for that. Thank you very much. Anyway, getting back to this. So yeah, so if I type in PC keyboard tray, my video actually appears third. It's on the first page, and it's third. I'm thinking, hey, that's good. It's on the first page, and it's third. Now, the question is here, how do I get it here? And what has this gentleman here, this top one here, done to get his #1. Now, the difference between myself and him is he's got a lot more subscribers. He's also got a lot more views. Now, he posted this 11 months ago, but the one underneath, he's put one on there. He's got more views than this guy at the top, and he's more subscribers than the guy at the top. He's also got more views than the one at the top. And looking underneath, the one that's underneath me, this gentleman's got way more subscribers than me and way more views. So I'm like, okay, so maybe it's not views and subscribers that are working here. And by the way, guys, if you can help me out here, I would be so grateful. I really would, because I am desperately trying to sort this out. I'm desperately trying to understand this. I really am. And at the moment, it's just not sinking in. So if you've got any comments, please put them in the comment section. Any advice, greatly received, greatly taken on board. Especially if it will help me understand this whole concept about SEO. Now, the thing that gets me is that when I look at this gentleman here, now, because I've got various plugins, I'm using Chrome and I've got some plugins, but I don't know if this is normal for WhatsApp, but obviously it's showing me what words it's picking up. So there we are, computer tray, keyboard tray, and obviously mine PC keyboard tray. Now, I've tried to optimize my video, and if I open it in another tab, I've tried to optimize my video in the respect of keywords. I'm going to pause it here so it doesn't play. Surrounding the actual, basically what I've bought, the keyboard tray. So looking here, so these are my keys or my tags here, and I've got computer, keyboard. I've also got in the description and title, PC keyboard tray. I've got PC keyboard tray. One thing I don't have, which is what I've just realised and I will try, is I don't have PC keyboard tray in the tag. So maybe that's something I could try. Maybe that will make a difference. I don't know. But it's something I am going to try. But I've got PC keyboard tray here, PC keyboard tray here. So I've got it in two places there. If we go back to the search results and we look at this gentleman, and if I open this one in another tab and we quickly press pause so it doesn't play, and it did, press pause, there we go, and we look at this one, we click on show more, all it says is keyboard tray. We've just got keyboard tray and that's it. I can't see it saying anywhere else about keyboard tray. And when you look at the actual tags, it only has nothing to do with keyboard tray. So there's absolutely nothing in there whatsoever that deals with keyboard tray. So how is it that this video is actually before mine in that aspect? What else, what other forces are at work here that makes this video appear at #1? And how do I apply that to my video for my video to appear #1? I don't get it. I generally, this is the thing I generally don't get. On the next one, if we look at the other one, if I just type in keyboard tray, I'm 19th. I'm down here somewhere in 19th position. There I am. There we are. I'm 19th. And there it says keyboard tray. Yes, there's a lot more people above me that have got that term keyboard tray. But the thing that gets me is this gentleman up here. So if I'm going to open up this gentleman in another tab, and hopefully we'll catch it so it doesn't play as well. There we go. So we pause this one again. So all this video has got is, it says keyboard tray in the title. It's got keyboard tray in the title, it's got keyboard tray in the description, and that's it. There's very little else other than keyboard trays in the tags. Yet this one is ranked a lot higher than mine. This is 1 on the page. So again, what is this person doing different to me in order for him to be #1 and for me to be number 19 when I've followed the advice that I've had so far when it comes to video SEO, and yeah, I know it's a very poor keyword, and I'm not expecting a huge amount of people to come and view this, video in the respect of what it is. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to use this to help me understand and help me better optimize my videos so they can be found. So that's my whole kind of ethos about this video and about the reason why I did that other video. So if you can help me out, please, by all means, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you've got to say. I would really love to hear what you've got to say in the section below. Also, as well as if you like this type of video format, I'm sure I can do some more around my usual topics, or any topic that you want to hear. Please let me know, because now I've discovered I can do this. So I'm just going to wiggle the mouse so that you can actually see I'm doing something. Now I've discovered how to do this, I'm quite happy to do some more. So anyway, thank you very much. I hope you understand what this video has been about. I hope you've enjoyed listening to my dulcet tones. I've enjoyed making it. Thank you very much. So it's Vidiq from me, Vidiq from the lovely people that has lent me their videos. I would tag them all in, but I can't. Just go search PC keyboard trays and you'll find them all there. And I will catch you the next time with another video. So Vidiq, catch you later.